Hi guys, Washer Lad 2014 here. Right, today I'm going to do a bit of a tutorial video, which is how to open a Miele door when it doesn't have any power to it. And just to show you proof that there's no power to it, here I've turned the switch for the Miele off, so there won't be any power for it. Also when I press this, nothing comes on, but there is a way you can open the door without any power to it. So what you want to do first is open the detergent drawer, and at the back here there'll be a little yellow thing which you just have to take that out right here. And what you want to do next is put it in here in the filter where the arrow is. And you're going to do it like that, and there you go. Once you've opened the filter, there's this little thing here. This little yellow thing here, and you pull that down. You need to pull that down, and there you go. The door has opened. Right. Hope you guys found this tutorial useful. If you did, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn the notification bell on so you can get notified about my latest content, and you will always be able to watch it. Right, I will try and do maybe. Don't know what I should do tomorrow. Wait, you guys, why don't you guys suggest to me what cycle I should do tomorrow? Yeah. But anyway, let's do that. Put it back. Alright. Once again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Bye.